About aesthetics currently, and it's more like I was completely blown away by the last writings of Falke, where he literally tears down the curtain between what's real and what's the image, and it was quite striking. So, what is your take when he's actually implying that this is real in a way by tearing down the curtain, by taking the curtain away, and he's implying that there's no curtain, and uh, it was for me currently, it was quite a, I was completely taken aback by that whole idea that there's this whole larger than life kind of image, or a respect given to the screen, and actually if you look at it, it is much more beyond it. So what is your take? Do you subscribe to that difference? Do you subscribe to that segregation of the image memory versus
No, what has happened that, for me, the making of a film, going and shooting, that has remained important, But to having, screening on the, screening on the screen, that has become slightly immaterial for me. So the process of making something where I am like an actor, or literally like an actor, that I feel very comfortable with that zone, rather than, I have shot, created an illusion, and I'm now projecting it, and now I'm going to watch it. That I have lost my interest.
immediacy is what excites?
Yes, on the spot, how I can construct there on the spot,
Yeah, in this film, two personality emerges or merges. This is a film on Falke. At the same time, very clearly I can see it's a film on Kamal Saru.
Because I am physically present there,
So,
मेरा photograph उतर रहे हैं
two
यार.
personality, merges.
But how do you know, जो photograph उतर रहे हैं मेरे, way I'm appearing, I mean, it need not be, way I appear to myself, The thing is that the basic magic is that what you see in Kamal here, I mean, you're seeing a photograph of Kamal Saru, no? I'm also seeing as much as you are seeing, Reason is that I can't look at myself from outside, So when we photograph, I mean, there's a photograph, when you photograph me, you and me are seeing the similar person,
No, I'm not talking about the image of Kamal Saru.
Then,
The philosophy of Kamal Saru, various other aspect of Kamal Saru. So it's a film on, and biographical film of Falke and Kamal Saru. In that way I'm saying, not.
I like to meet this Kamal Sarup here one day. Who is he?
What are some of the sources from where the text is? I got confused at some point.
Text is his play called Rangumi, which is a 7-hour long play, huge play. Then there are 3 articles from Navyu. Then there is a little bit of a fictionalized version that I have written about the children. Then that text, that I have written. Then there are the memory about announcing the children dead. That's a memory from Narayan Hari Apte. He has written somewhere in it. So there are a lot of bits of memories from various people.
And the Harishchandra stories also there? That is from...
Which? Harishchandra, the text is from Bhartendra Harishchandra, who is the playwright from Banaras. So that, is it a dream or is it a reality? The Queen and the King, when they're talking, that is from Bhartendra Harishchandra, that his book.
I just felt the second part of the film gets more and more... It's very, very heavy on the image and text. Both working. Can you say a little bit about, because the film kind of then goes into that realm?
You see, in beginning, when I went to Banaras, so the premise was that I will stage Rangumi play. So I went to Nagrik Natak Mandali, and they were staging some Rabindranath Tagore play, so they were not free. But that was my brief and pitching to the FD. But there was nothing, and the unit had come, and Srishti guys had also come. So what could I do, you know? So I stage पर चढ़ गया, you know. I said, let's do it, man. So slowly you are trying to figure out what to do next, you know. So you have, okay, text from his play, and you have, okay, I have to find where he lived. Two things. Then you have these memories, and I'm waiting for the Hansa and the gang to come and join me. So at least, they could do something, you know. So in the beginning, I'm not very confident, and I'm very alone. But when these forces came, a certain kind of an energy converged, you know. So I think because of that, the images and the speed and the emotional charge get denser and denser and denser. In the beginning, I also, I'm slightly comical, that not taking it seriously. It's all gone wrong, I mean, because I'm not staging the play. Like he said, why don't you stage something, So I'm, like being very funny and comical and theatrical, Like a lot of people tell me, remove that scene about you talking to this boy on the boat, It looks very Jani Bhi Do Yaro kind of a thing, So you making such a serious stuff, why are you keeping it there, But I like that funniness.